Hello everyone, it's me Davai, and today I want to show you the Gun-Vue updates and the version 0.15.0, and it supposedly will soon become point 1 because I already discovered many new bugs and incompleteness because I've cleared very much. I removed the Histoire components from the build, and this made all the projects so light and fast to build, so it could be easily automated without all the errors and that faults with the two Vite separate projects that is used in Histoire. It's so complex for debugging, and now it's so lean, so this application, it's not perfect. It's has some glitches here and there. Okay, now let's generate an account. Here, so Peter is here, so we can just start having our profiles, like LA. Okay, and here is the space for this is totally broken. I need to repair this space section, but here we can talk to other people, and it's completely peer-to-peer, so now we connect through this peer, and this makes us able to communicate with each other without any storage. And this is just in the local source in the IndexedDB, stored in Radix. So okay, I want to show you the code and how it is now built, because it's so nice and clean. So we have the packages. I'm thinking about making these as sub packages, okay, packages folders, but for now we have the composables, the components, and the app. And just look at this. So the composables version 0.15 has just the things that it needs, and it just has this one command here, and this is the library, that the lib folder that is built with this, and it's published as this package to the npm. And the components, and no mess with Histoire, but I respect this thing, but not in our situation here. Okay, and now it is just building the components and the types for it, as well as here. So we have the lib, and here we have the types that are also published to the npm, and the app. And now the app is it is a Vite and Vue app, and here is the index HTML, and we mount the source main. You see, we from here we go to the source folder, this, and we mount the app from here, and everything here is relative. So we go to the app.view, we go to we mount all these app folders and composables that are just exported from here. And this means that we have two packages, these packages, and the app, and also the documentation, all getting all the code out of this source folder. So this is the main idea. So this is like all around the code, and this is the code, the source code. Because here, yeah, also we can have just it's just bare bones WordPress, even no adjustments to the theme, just default theme imported. Yeah, and the content is also totally auto-generated by the type doc. Only the front page and maybe some other pages will be there, but this is the point of growing. This is I think the most important thing for now. The good documentation and interactive and fun documentation is very, very important. Yeah, the relay is also a package that is exported, but it doesn't change much because the code is very, very minimalistic. So this is the whole code of the whole server. Yeah, and yeah, it works pretty much okay. Yeah, so then we can just explore the source folder, and it can have so much in it. So just we have this project section, for example, and now we have all this application here. So everything about it, and separated into three main layers. So we have the composables, that are scripts that we use, and they are called use projects. So these are the reactive logics of and data transformations of the database, and not only database but also the UI and many things. So we have all these patterns that we use to connect Gun and Vue reactive system, because we can have the computed projects and all these. So yeah, they can react to changes in to the changes in the public key of the room in which the project is displayed. So if we go to another room, we will see different projects. Yes, these are different projects, and these are reactive. So if we go, there's so much to browse. Okay. So really, yeah, because we have everything in room. Yeah, if I delete these like this, and even this, okay, we will just yeah, but no, it's quite resilient. Yeah, this makes this very reactive. Yeah, so like this. Yeah, I left the room and it was just instantly changed. Okay, so again like this. So here are the posts, and here we have, and we leave, and yeah, the post just update. Yeah, and all that reactivity as with chats, all that is just a showcase, so you can build your own. And we have our hey our collaborator who is frequently here, so it's so nice. So we have the connection, I believe, somewhere. Yeah, so this is our connection. So this is Peter, and this is our one-way connection. Yeah, all these fabulous thing. You can create your room and go through all these, and if the information doesn't come through these, so you can just choose another relay, and if there are no relays, maybe this is a good idea to start your own, because it's so easy to do that with gun relay, or just the gun repository itself. Yeah, the test section is quite empty, and I think I will drop that idea of making tests for gun for now, Gun-Vue and all that. But I'm thinking about the making the create package, so it will make us open new Gun-Vue applications from the template. So the template for new Gun-Vue applications. Yeah, but these are future plans, and for now I just shown the main idea, and yeah, let's see what we have more. We can have the components from these. So we import components from view files. So if we have files with 2 capital letters, these are components. If we have files with small letters, we have routes, and yeah, here are the routes. So each application has its own routes. Like, it's not application, it's already a route. So we go to the posts, it's already just Gun-Vue.js posts. Yeah. But yeah, we can look at that as apps. So for example, we have the QR which has just 3 components, nothing more, no composables, and also no routes. But we can deliver a new feature that will make our users create QR codes for themselves and have beautiful URLs for that, with encrypted information and all that, and we can just add some routes and play with all that, and you can start your own feature like that. And yeah, there's plenty of the features. But yeah, just look at that, all the chat, that's yeah, it's working. We can go to another topic. Yeah, and thanks for the advice, like that. And yeah, it feels working. Yeah, it's quirky, but yeah. And what we have, the routes, that chat is this basic one, and this makes this index.view the default inside the chat. And if we have the topic, like here we have chat general, yeah, or weather. In the route there'll be chat weather, yeah. So we will have this chat room instead of it, so we will have to go to chat, and here we have the list of topics, which is this block, the router view for this position, and here it is a component, and this component is either these. If we have the topic empty, so we will have just a chat room, or we will have and we will have the component as a route, and this is quite fun because yeah, we will have one step less just to get to the real functionality. So this yeah, so we will have the title and the topic from this. So we will have the topic because here we have this name, so the topic we will go to here, and this room we will show us the room. Yeah, so with layer for account and list of messages and the chat input right there. Yeah, this is how it works, and we export all that with components as async components, composables, and the app itself. So yeah, you can import all that in your project via the npm, or you can just fork the project and build your own features and maybe contribute back to the Gun-Vue itself. So this is where we are now. I just wanted to show that the main struggle seems to be complete for now, and this opens the whole lot of opportunities. Is that I've discovered the new way to implement client-only components in VidPress, and this is the special defined client component imported from there, and then I import just the view file. And yeah, I like I want to mention the thing that yeah, I removed the auto import thing, so every component is really important other components. So user source, user icon, yeah. So yeah, we import the components from the main component, so from this list, from everything, because yeah, and here all the components go from here. So we if a component uses other components, it has to import them, and this makes everything so stable and resilient now. It's quite a little labor, but yeah, I'm now very proud and very sure about the quality of this code, but not in the deep, because yeah, no, not everyone likes the bug templates, but yeah, I'm really into that, and also the Unis CSS. But yeah, for me it's like the code poetry, you know. You will be able to transform it back to HTML soon, just with the Volar updating to new versions. We are waiting for that. So but with all that, with this is just markdown, you know. But now we can import these components and they are built successfully, so we can just run the build, and we will have the build for composables. Now the docs are built, yeah, so this part is built here. Oh, not found. I will check that. Okay. Yeah, then we have the components build. Yeah, it's there. And there we have the app. Yeah, this is the app. So just that much, that this is nothing and nothing more than that. The server is even less than that. Yeah, and now we have to we can try it. Yeah, and this is what I wanted to show you. Yeah, so we can go to the docs, gunvue.js.docs, and here we have the we have the docs, and we have the I'm trying to fill it up with information just in the code itself, in the source again. So this is account use account, and yeah, this is importing, including this readme. Yeah, so this information goes from here, and yeah, I find it quite beautiful. Yeah, so this is documentation, and I want to expand that just right here. So but the main thing here is that we have this. It's just the testing. Yeah, it's just in the angle, in the corner. But yeah, it can be expanded in any way. So this will be like doc. So um, all the components import themselves, and this all works just already built on the client side in the VietPress environment. So yeah, we have successfully combined the server side and the client side Gun-Vue code. Yes, and it means that we can just build very fun experiences, and the docs can become even more fun thing to explore because it can have some snippets that cannot be used in an app, in a demo app. Well, we'll see. So I'm quite inspired by all that, and I hope it inspires you too. And there are quite some ideas about what can be built with this infrastructure. And if you have any ideas, you can reach me out at